Terra Luna expectations. Will it grow or flop? Luna has brought about a change as a decentralized financial payment network that substitutes its conventional payment stack on the blockchain, moving away from today's conventional cryptocurrencies. Terra utilizes stablecoins tied to currency to support price-stable global payment systems. The distinctive characteristic of Terra functions as a primary accelerator in completely reducing the barrier associated with token mining. It improves transparency by eliminating intermediaries and authorization. In lieu of individual cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, etc., Terra's native currency, Luna, is more akin to a programmable asset that addresses speed, scalability, and accessibility challenges. Hello, and welcome to another The Trend video. Today we are going to analyze the future Terra Luna along with its price prediction. Before moving further, kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming amazing videos. So let's get started. What happened to Terra Luna from a technical standpoint? In recent days, Terra has been in the news due to a significant price drop. Several individuals perished in the crash. To understand why Terra is falling so drastically, it is crucial to understand the link between Terra, Luna, and UST. Terra is a public blockchain technology that deploys a suite of algorithmic decentralized stablecoins to support a healthy ecosystem that democratizes DeFi. Terra and Luna are two major tokens of the protocol. Terra is a stablecoin pegged to the value of fiat currencies. Users produce fresh Terra by consuming Luna. Stablecoins are named for their corresponding fiat currencies. For instance, the Terra stablecoin tracks the price of the IMF's SDR, which Terra calls SDR or SDT. Other stablecoins are Terra USD or UST, Terra KRW or KRT, and Terra KRW or UST. Meanwhile, Luna is the native staking token of the Terra protocol, which absorbs the price fluctuation of Terra. Luna is used for administration and mining. In exchange for transaction fees, users stake Luna to validators who record and validate transactions on the blockchain. The greater Terra's utilization, the greater Luna's value. On the other hand, UST is an algorithmic stablecoin whose stability is strongly correlated with the price of Luna. If UST loses its $1 peg, UST is destroyed and new Luna coins are produced. And if UST appreciates significantly, Luna coins are burned and the new UST coins are produced. Therefore, each price maintains the value of the other. When $285 million worth of UST was liquidated on Curve and Binance, chaos ensued. In an effort to stabilize the UST peg, Terraform Labs liquidated all of their 40,000 BTC holdings. This resulted in an enormous crypto crash. Moreover, both the Luna price and the UST began dramatically correcting. UST lost its peg, and new Luna coins were issued, which had a significant impact on its pricing. Also, the popular lending procedure Anchor witnessed significant ANC withdrawals due to its 20% interest on UST deposits. Recent Terra Luna price movements. The price of Terra dipped in January 2022, along with the rest of the cryptocurrency market, correcting to $42.57 by the end of the month, then rebounding to a new high of $119.18 on April 5th. And on May 7th, approximately $2 billion worth of UST tokens were unstaked, and instantly hundreds of millions were sold. Subsequently, on May 11th, 2022, the price of Luna coin fell below 84 cents, before stabilizing around $1.10, falling more than 90% as the UST fought to reclaim its $1 price peg. On May 12, 2022, the Terra price continued to decrease due to issues with its stablecoin UST. Moreover, the price of Luna fell as crypto challenges and the blockchain halted trading. The future of Luna and UST. After the recent precipitous decline in Terra Luna's value, most people have one question in mind. Can Terra rise again? Alternatively, can Terra recover? Well, Do Kwon, the CEO of Terra Labs, offered a plan to revitalize Luna. He believes he has a remedy for the situation by forking Terra blockchain. The new blockchain would be developed alongside 1 billion Luna tokens, which would be dispersed to current Luna and UST holders, and used to finance the creation of new Terra applications. The idea must be approved by Luna owners, and a vote is set this Wednesday. If approved, the current Terra blockchain will be renamed Terra Classic. while the new chain will simply be called Terra before the end of the month. Terra Luna. Market sentiment. In spite of the fact that the early phase of Terra was not well received by the populace, it took time to earn their trust and achieve its goals. There are numerous crypto specialists whose opinions on Terra's price projections suggest that Luna has enormous potential and urge investors by providing the following buy or sell recommendations for this digital asset. Wallet Investor. Based on Wallet Investor's Terra price forecast, we anticipate a long-term increase. Their price forecast for 2027 is $360,817. The estimated return on a 5-year investment is around $197,167,659.56%. Long forecast. According to Long Forecast, by the end of 2022, the price of Terra may be about $0.0000705. Minimum Terra cost is $0.0006083, and maximum is $0.0000755. December's average price may be approximately $0.0006509. Digital coin price. The digital coin price forecast expects the price of Terra may experience a substantial resurgence this year. By the end of 2022, the price of Luna USD could be around $0.000255, and by 2025, it could be around $0.00039. Price prediction. According to analyst Terra price forecasts, it appears that the Terra price may be experiencing a comeback. It may easily surpass the $0.0003988 threshold by the end of 2022. Tech News Leader. According to Tech News Leader, in 2022, the Terra price may surpass $0.000339330 if the market experiences a strong bull run. The average Luna coin price in 2022 will be approximately $0.0003081. Trading Beasts. As per Trading Beasts, the price of Terra is anticipated to hit $0.0111382 in the start of November 2022. The anticipated highest price is $0.0114228, while the estimated minimum price is $0.0009675. The price forecast for Terra for the end of 2022 is $0.00142. Terra Luna price predictions for 2022 to 2025. The one positive aspect of the current market environment is that currencies have not been discriminated against. The major fiat currencies, as well as cryptocurrencies, have met with the same terrible end. In contrast to other financial markets, however, cryptocurrencies recovered quickly. Many investors are still anticipating the fight of the titans, pondering whether or not it's worthwhile to invest in cryptocurrencies. In the case of Terra, unfortunately, after reaching all-time high, the Terra's price dropped by about 99% in a single day due to the UST price fall. As the Terra ecology falls, the Luna Foundation Guard then offered users compensation. To prevent governance assaults, the biggest cryptocurrency exchanges have temporarily blocked Luna withdrawals, and the Terra blockchain has been temporarily halted. Last week, Do Kwon, the chief executive officer of Terraform Labs, suggested a solution to reverse this condition. With his plan for revitalization, he proposed a new hard fork that will assist in correcting these kinds of design problems. However, it remains unclear whether these actions will restore the Luna environment. Meanwhile, many traders and investors have lost faith as a result of the recent Luna price drop, but many believe that the Terra price will soon recover. Let's examine the Terra price estimate for the next 5 years and see if Luna will again hit $1. Terra price predictions 2022. Short-term analysis indicates that Terra is trading under heavy negative pressure. However, according to our Terra coin price forecast for 2022, the currency will rebound moderately but remain at lower levels. According to the current Terra pricing scenario, the currency could trade for a minimum of $0.000179. Besides, the price of Terra coin might reach a maximum of $0.00026. Terra price predictions 2023. Terra price predictions by experts forecast price levels between $0.000193 and $0.00028. Terra crypto may exhibit some resistance, but it cannot be declared with certainty that 2023 will be the golden age for this crypto. There may be substantial changes in industry scenarios, market positions, economic overruns, policy restructuring, or any other factor affecting the coin's performance in 2023. According to Terra's pricing forecast for 2023, the price of Terra is anticipated to surpass $0.000289 by that year. The minimum price of Terra is anticipated to reach $0.0002 before the end of the year. Terra Price Predictions 2024. There are indications that the Terra coin may gain popularity in the next years. And despite the recent price decline in Terra, some community members are still optimistic about the Terra currency. Consequently, the currency will garner far greater interest. According to the Terra price forecast for 2024, the coin will sell at an average of $0.00026 and a minimum of $0.00025. Maximum Terra price may trade at $0.0003. Luna Price Predictions 2025. According to our Terra Luna price forecast, having transformed the entire world page of transactions, the Terra price now begins on a journey to leave a stunning imprint on this ecosystem. Some predictions for Terra's price in 2025 also indicate that Terra's price will be riding the bull market by the middle of 2025. It may even reach a new high of $0.00036. According to the Terra price forecast, the Terra token appears to be in the race to create a new record for positional stability. The way forward. The crypto community has high aspirations for Terra, and it is unquestionably a suitable ecosystem for the development of additional decentralized applications. Given that Terra is a young and naive project in the community, it is up to the leadership team to provide it with the proper direction in order to optimize the predetermined goals for the purpose of increasing the price. There are brighter prospects, but it all boils down to the success of the digital currency industry as a whole, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. So what are your thoughts on this? Do you believe Terra is going to recover from here? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it informative, do like and subscribe, and don't forget to give comments and provide us with your valuable feedback. Plus, if you want to suggest a topic for the next video, feel free to tell us. See you in the next video, and until then, stay tuned to the trend.